Wonderful. I'm just asking Audra, I want to hear the... Thank you for the last time. I've been hearing that so many times, so thanks for that. Now we can start. Wonderful. So, thank you so much. I know that's a messy process, isn't it? Some is clearer, some is more complicated, but bear with it. I'm gonna just explain the next steps. So first thing you need to know is we're gonna break for lunch at 12:50. That's information 1. Information 2, in each of your groups, you need to come up with sub-teams working on defined activities. We think it's gonna be 3, 4, that's the objective. So the first thing you need, the first thing you need to do is make sure you have those 3 or 4 activities, if not yet done, and then decide as an individual where you want to work, and go on the table that corresponds to the activity that you've chosen. Easy. Then we're gonna let you work for the time that remains till the lunch on some questions that are action planning that you should all have on your tables. So you should all have, it looks a little bit similar to what you did yesterday in the sprint, where you have a QR code as well, maybe not, let's see. But at least what you need to work on is, again, why this activity, a bit of a more detailed description, but you need to think about who needs to be involved. Okay, it's great to have this project, but if we want to make it happen, who do we need to engage? Then what resources are needed? Because all those are nice, but they probably need some financials, some human resources. So what are those? Start planning about and thinking about that. And then the last point is gonna be recommending action within the next 3 months. So what should we be doing in the next 3 months? It will not cover the overall objective of your activity, but what are the first steps that you think needs to be put in place? So that's the goal, to start narrowing down. So per activity, you work on filling that information. Is that all clear for everybody? Yeah? So maybe stand up, just move a little bit so I can have a bit of energy. Can I ask you to all stand up? Thank you. Raise your hand. And maybe let's start. We can do a bit of a shaking. So you shake yourself. Shake, shake, shake. Here. Then you go there. And then you go to the legs. And then you go up. Again. The chest. The arm. Thank you. Good luck.